Today we replaced the fuel cap on the 2002 Chevy Avalanche and explain why it's needed as the years go by, especially after 22 years and almost 200,000 miles on this Avalanche. The gas cap replacement is no big deal or no big secret. Here you take it off and you put the new one on. I'm going to remove the strap by unclipping it here. On this car, simply unscrew it and reinstall the new one. But more important is why we should replace it. The gas cap actually regulates the pressure on the system. That large O-ring most likely has cracks after so many years of use. If they can't be seen with your naked eyes, use a magnifying glass. You'll see what I mean. Now, if you went to the gas station and drive away forgetting to screw your gas cap back on, the check engine light will eventually go on because your fuel system monitors the pressure in the fuel tank, and your gas cap is actually the valve that keeps that pressure regulated. So this is a brand new cap. Actually, see the description below for different types you can order, plus more information on the gas cap function and troubleshooting. But there's a rubber and metal springs and stuff inside that as the fuel pump draws fuel out of the tank, it builds up a certain amount of vacuum. But because the fuel cap is off, it allows air into the system, and what will happen is the check engine light goes on. So the same goes if your gas cap is bad. It can actually cause the engine light to go on. So the new cap goes right on and tightens up. When you hear the clicks, it's a sign it's torqued enough. Hopefully, if your gas cap was bad and causing your check engine light to come on, this should fix your problem. If not, you need to change it anyway if you have 50,000 miles or more. This strap clips here like the old one. We just need to remove the clip from the old one and reuse it if not damaged. Using a good trim tool like this, carefully remove the clip. Once it's popped out, check to make sure it can be reused. If not, the new cap comes with some different size clips to use. You're wondering why I prefer reusing old original fasteners on my projects? It's because the new aftermarkets are usually not the same quality. Even what they claim to be OEM, it's not the same. So we insert it into the new strap loop and then into the housing. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.